Hello, مساء الخير. Solving the mark the photographer problem or issue or challenge on the CodeForces.com. So the problem or the challenge, at every challenge we have the first tests, which is t, and t is more than 1 and less than 100. This is the number of tests or test cases. Then we have the problem to do. Mark is asked to take a group photo of two n of people. The I, the person, has height hi units. To do so, he ordered these peoples into two rows, the front row and the back row, each consisting of n people. However, to ensure that everyone is seen properly in the photo, the G's person of the back row must be at least x unit taller than the G's person in the front. So in the backward row, they will be taller by x units. So each j between 1 and n, as n is a number and so all the people is 2n. So we have n in the front and n in the backward, and the summation is 2n. Okay, تمام. The first line of each test case contains two positive integers n and x, where n is the number of people in each row and the minimum difference in units, which is x. So here the number of tests, here is n people, and here is the difference between the height of two people, which is 6 units. So we have an array of 2n, because of here is 3, n is 3, so the array is 6, 2 times n. And in the second test we have 3 also, n equals 3, but the difference here is 1. Okay, the difference in height 1. So we have 3 times 2, so I have array of n persons. And in the last test I have 1, n equals 1, and the difference is 2, so the two persons, these are the two persons, array of two persons. So we have the output. The output will be yes or no. Yes if Mark could arrange people satisfying the condition, and no otherwise. So as in this case, in the second test, the heights are 2, 5, 3 2s and 5. So there is 1 is equal to the other one. So we have 4 in the same level, no difference by 1. Okay, let's see the solution. The solution is here. This is, I enter the number of tests using a t variable as every example, and here we have the loop for loop m in range of t. We have n number of people in the row, and we have d, the difference in height. So I entered 3 things, number of tests, and each time I have 2 lines, n number of people and d number of height, distance in height, or the difference in height between two persons. And here I will enter, this loop will enter the elements in the array, which is the heights of the people. Each person has a height, so I will enter here. Using this variable will include the enter value, and then I will append the array by this statement or code. Then I will arrange the array of people, or the heights of people, in descending order. So the first one will be the maximum height, and the second is less, and so on. And here I will do comparison. I will do comparison between two heights in the array. As example, the first one and it after n times. So I will take the difference and compare it with the difference. If it's okay, if it's right, so it will if n equals 1 minus 1 equals I, so this is yes, else continue. And if any value is not obey the condition, so it will print no after else. Let's try this code. Control C, and then here we will put here in the compiler, Control V, and then run, and then enter. Times of test is 1, number of n on number 2, difference is 3. Here I will enter 4 items for the array. First one is 1, then 2, then the third is 5, then the fourth is 6. Enter. It should print yes. Let's say enter another value. Yes. Okay, let's try again. 1, we have 2, we have 3 difference. Enter the first value 1, and then 1, and then 1, and then 4. No. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If there is any comment, write in the below and I will respond to you.